Systems engineering provides a structured approach to designing and managing complex products and projects. For designers, grasping these essential concepts is key to ensuring that every component works harmoniously within the larger system. Understanding systems engineering fundamentals helps anticipate potential challenges, streamline collaboration across disciplines, and maintain a clear focus on user needs and project goals. By integrating these principles early in the design process, teams can reduce costly errors and improve overall efficiency. Ultimately, a solid foundation in systems engineering empowers designers to contribute to successful, reliable, and innovative product development. Requirements flow down is a structured process that ensures high-level objectives are translated into detailed, actionable specifications. It begins with broad system requirements, often defined by stakeholders or regulatory standards. These are then systematically decomposed into more specific requirements for each subsystem and component. This hierarchical approach helps maintain traceability, ensuring that every part of the system contributes to the overall goals. By breaking down requirements, teams can assign clear responsibilities and verify that each element meets its intended function. Ultimately, this process reduces ambiguity and supports efficient design, integration, and testing throughout the project lifecycle. Defining interfaces is a critical step in system design, as it establishes the rules and protocols by which different components communicate. A well-specified interface outlines the expected inputs, outputs, and behaviors, allowing developers to build modules that work seamlessly together. This clarity reduces the risk of miscommunication between elements and helps prevent integration issues later in the development process. By ensuring that each part of the system adheres to a common set of interaction standards, compatibility is maintained even as individual components evolve. Ultimately, clear interface definitions support scalability, maintainability, and the smooth integration of new features or technologies. Verification planning is a critical step in ensuring that systems function as intended and meet all specified requirements. Designers begin by identifying key objectives and performance criteria, which serve as benchmarks throughout the development process. Structured testing methods, such as unit tests, integration tests, and system-level evaluations, are carefully mapped out to address each requirement. Validation processes are then implemented to confirm that the system operates correctly under real-world conditions. By documenting test cases and expected outcomes, teams can systematically track progress and identify any discrepancies early. This organized approach not only reduces the risk of errors but also provides clear evidence that the system fulfills its intended purpose.